Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hey guys, so we have come up with another delicious recipe that is perfect butter chicken. It is very easy to make and also you can serve it with rice or roti, chapatis, khubz, anything. So let's begin. So for marination we need half kg of chicken, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a cup of yogurt, and salt as per your requirement. Now using a spoon, mix it. Mix nicely until the chicken is combined with the masala. Now close the lid and keep it for 20 minutes. To a heated pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the marinated chicken to the pan and shallow fry it. Fry the chicken until both sides are well cooked. As you can see, both sides of the chicken is fried. Now let's turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now turn on the flame. Place another pan. Add 3 tablespoons of butter and let it melt. To the melted butter, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and roast it until it starts to pop. Add 2 onions sliced and fry them until golden brown. Has well golden fried. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and saute it well. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and saute it. Now add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar and saute it for 30 seconds. Now pour the tomato puree onto the pan and saute it well. Now close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. The mixture has well boiled. Just saute it and turn off the flame. Now keep this mixture for cooling. Pour it onto a blender and grind it well until it forms into a thick paste. Place a pot on top of the stove and then pour this grinded mixture onto it. Now to this add 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well using a spatula. Mix well until it boils nicely. Now you can see that the mixture has begun to boil. Now let us add one by one the chicken to it and cook it in a low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Using a spatula, just slightly mix it. Cover it with a lid and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes in low flame. Now open the lid and just give it a slight mix. Then add salt according to your requirement. Add 1 tablespoon of kasur methi to it. Then add 1/4 cup of fresh cream to it. Now using a spatula, just mix it and cook it for about 5 minutes in a low flame. Now add little bit of coriander leaves according to your requirement. As you can see, the perfect butter chicken is ready. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching.